Why is the garbage truck right here?
Hi! Bye-bye!
He's mowing the grass in the median and on the sides of the roads. How cool was that? Oh, that's a good idea.
Kane's building the pool, I'm building the house.
So you're working on the foundation over here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Garbage Trucks.
Roar!
Today we have the truck.
What kind of trucks you got, Kane? And Jack?
I got this one, and Jack got this one. I got this excavator and this
And I got the
Scania truck.
Scania, that's a tipper truck.
Bulldozer.
And you got a cat bulldozer
And then we
and
also got
an
him.
excavator
Then we also got him.
and a front loader. And then a green rear loader
And then a big giant moth.
and a moth. Ooh, it's alive still.
Yeah, he's okay.
Yeah, let's let him out of there.
Yeah, so I'm out.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, let him out, Kane. We want him to go see his mama.
No,
There you go.
that.
Let's don't step on him. That is a beautiful looking moth. Look at that. That's actually not a moth. That's I believe that's a locust, guys. Don't step on him. You know those, no, but you know those sounds that you hear in the trees that go in the afternoon?
Yeah.
That's what that does. That's a locust, and blue jays and mockingbirds love to eat those.
Mom, Dad. Look at Yocus again. Look at Yocus.
So the tipper truck brought the dumpster up to the construction site, right?
Yeah.
And now you're gonna do some clearing.
Where's the Yocus?
Kane, I think the locust is over there by that fence somewhere. Actually, I think it flew away.
He can't fly because his wings hurt. His wings hurt. Dad, he can't fly. His wings hurt, Dad.
Okay. Well, we wish him well. Man, that is a nice excavator. What are you building here on the construction site, Jackson? Is this a work in process? Is it gonna take a while?
Yeah. It's gonna take a while.
Sure is a nice looking set you got.
It's gonna be hard because it's a lot of grass over here
Yeah.
to break. This excavator's name is Skiddy.
Skiddy?
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's what Kane named it.
Why do you name it Skiddy?
I don't know. He thinks he is the boss.
Why is the garbage truck right here?
I don't know. Kane just got it.
Kane brought it, huh? Kane's gonna be the garbage man today.
I hear something.
Yeah. Is it a big old lawnmower?
It's a tractor.
A tractor. Cut! It's time to look at the tractor.
Hi. Bye-bye.
He's mowing the grass in the median and on the sides of the roads. How cool was that?
And remember when the tractor used to come to our house?
Yep. Here's the lorry truck. Kane, you know how to work that?
Yeah. And it's the man truck.
Man, that's right. That's the brand.
It's broken.
Man.
It's broken.
Let's see. Yeah, there you go. You gotta do that lever. This is like air controlled or something. Look, we're getting it. That's a great idea. We're building a 2-story house with a pool.
That's gonna be our house.
That's right, that's going to be our house. Kane's starting on the house with his bricks. Are you building a house? Okay, I'll get back to you.
I'm actually I'm trying to build a pool.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Kane's building the pool, I'm building the house.
So you're working on the foundation over here.
Yeah.
Doing some excavating. And we got the garbage truck ready in case we get a bunch of trash. And we got our tipper truck container for all the dirt that Jackson is digging up. So this is going to take a few days, right?
Yeah.
We're just going to do a little work today.
And then we can show you on the last day that we're done. We'll show you what it looks like.
Yeah.
Got a lot of grass here.
You got the right tool for the job, though. Here comes the tractor. Whoa! That was it, wasn't it? They had loaded it. Wasn't that it? They loaded it into a... Here's another one.
That's the tractor.
There goes the tractor.
That's the midget tractor.
How lucky was that?
It's turning. It's turning.
He's turning. Hey, Kane, the tractor's turning. Here comes Kane. Right on time. Brrr.
Yeah, the tractor's mowing our grass.
Cool. Tractor's mowing our grass. Well, I was just helping out here on the set while you guys were checking it out on the construction site. We got a lot of work here because we got a lot of grass. Luckily, we got the right tools for the job.
That's not. I found a baby roly-poly.
Baby roly-poly.
Fire truck.
A fire truck.
Last time we saw that we was in the car, but we was walking Maya.
Now all we need is a garbage truck. Tractors.
We have a tractor somewhere.
We've seen tractors and fire trucks. All we need now is a garbage truck.
Yeah.
Nice. Kane's bringing some bricks over in the tipper truck. And once again, that is the right truck for the job. Bye, guy. There he goes. This time he's going to save some time and just carry it over there. Bring some more bricks back, okay? Time to get some more bricks in the truck. Where'd you get those bricks? They were just in the yard, right?
This is stuck.
Yeah, you can probably only fit one at a time in there. Oh, there you go. You did it.
But can you get this over there?
Yeah, let's go like this. Those bricks are heavy, aren't they? We're almost there. Good job. High five. Yes. Time to unload the bricks. What are bricks made out of?
I don't know.
Concrete. Like a cement mixer mixes up concrete. What'd you see, Jackson?
The tractor.
What's it doing?
It was just mowing the grass there and then...
He's already done?
Yeah. That's not how you build a pool.
That is a nice start. Maybe he's building the deck right now. That's the part that goes around the pool. All right. What do you think? Should we take a break?
No.
Ready to do some more digging?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, you're getting a nice load inside your container here.
Big rock in there.
Big rock. What are you gonna do with all that stuff when you got it full?
Go dump it somewhere at the foundation place.
That's a good idea. What a nice day for digging and dumping and building. Here comes the brick man. Nice, Kane.
We should get this. On our PlayStation, we should get this truck.
This game?
Yeah, it's a game, and it has like 15 games on it. It's
wow.
Trucks, airplanes, trains, buses.
Trucks, airplanes, trains, buses, city vehicles?
Yeah.
Has it got emergency vehicles?
Yes.
Awesome.
You should get it.
Can you smell that? It kind of smells like smoke.
Yeah. It's probably that tractor because it has like an exhaust pipe.
Alright, well I'm going to check back with you guys in a day or so. In the meantime, keep up the good work. Kane, good job, buddy. And we'll have to see what that garbage truck does next time.
Thanks guys for watching. I hope you share, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!